Clear aligners are replacing braces as we speak. The biomechanics of clear aligners are completely different and no one is talking about it. As an orthodontist, are you confident to deliver treatment plans which are safe, predictable and realistic? Are your lab bills going through the roof and you are not able to compete with the pricing of DIY aligner companies? Hi, I am Dr. Rajshekhar, Chief Dental Officer at Snazzy Aligners. I found myself in a similar situation few years ago where I was unprepared and underconfident to embrace this change. Over the years, I have learned to do my own treatment plans on the software and I have designed over 5,000 cases for aligner companies in India, USA and Germany. I have understood every pitfall, every movement that comes with clear aligner therapy, and now I want to share the same with you. I, along with Snazzy, have designed this workshop exclusively for orthodontists where we learn case selection, prompt diagnosis, biomechanics of clear aligners and hands-on training in Ashwam software. You also get lifetime mentorship for treatment planning from me and my team and free access to the treatment planning software. I have already trained 50 plus orthodontists who are doing exceptionally well in the field of clear aligners. Snazzy is enabling orthodontists to gain back the control of clear aligners from companies and offer better results. This course is 100% refundable and you get a certificate as a planning expert from Ashwam and Snazzy. To start chatting with me and my team, tap below.